klase lang, sinabi ko lang yung ganung klase lang.
Kasi di ba nun nga sabi mo, ikaw yung panlaban ng ABS-CBN para sa ibang bansa sa international, sa mga series, naging consideration ba yun? Kaya, kumbaga gumawa ka pa rin?
Okay, siyempre our shows na ginagawa ko, pinapalabas kasi nila sa ibang bansa. So siyempre, kailangan yun yung genre na gawin ko para yun yung hinahanap sa ibang bansa.
Yes.
Parang gano'n. I think now that nakilala na nila ako dito sa mga iba't ibang bansa, it's time for me to take advantage of that opportunity na, okay, as Jericho pala, hindi lang dramatic actor, diba? He can do suspense, thriller, or, other things, diba? Parang gano'n.
New content.
New content lang. Diba? Para naman pag binalikan mo ko si Alan, sabihin sa akin, ano bago dyan? Totoo ba yan? Bago ba yan? Diba? Hindi, diba? I don't wanna get to that point na lolokohan tayo.
Eko, saan mo sisingit dun yung personal naman?
Yun yan. I know you're going to ask that. I'm so blessed to have a beautiful wife who actually has the same passion, diba? So, we talked about it already. She's going to study, I'm going to study. She's building a company, I'm rebuilding myself, and her job is abroad. We had this set up for a very long time now na if she wants to study, if I want to study for 3, 4, 5 months and magkita kami somewhere sa kung saan parte ng mundo, we're fine with that. This is the reason why we don't want to have kids muna, because we feel that ang dami naming sa buhay namin, parang ang daming umagaw ng mga gusto namin gawin sa buhay namin. Kaya parang bringing a baby into this world is not a good idea kasi kawawa yung baby di ba? Na papatayin na natin
at this point in time.
Oo, papatayin namin yung mga pangarap namin dahil gusto namin mag-baby. Wala naman nagpe-pressure sa amin magka-baby, di ba? Kultura lang at tradisyon. May anak ako na mahal din ni Kim, di ba? Kami apat, di ba? Mamahalan kaming apat. So it's a wonderful family, parang gano'n. I have the best setup right now. Kim's telling me, if you want to go anywhere in the world, I will support you. It's me that, finding myself, hindi ako natatapos for 20 years. Isa daw ba ako ng kahon ng soap opera, di ba? It's time for me to, labas muna ako sa dress, babalik ako something solid.
So talagang nag-swak talaga kay Nicky, parang
she's the greatest blessing in my life.
Sobrang supporting niya.
Yeah.
Pero bakit maghihiwalay kayo ng lugar na pag-aaralan?
Hindi naman, kasi syempre kung nagdidirect na siya ngayon, at mag-aaral din siya syempre iba yung gusto kong gawin, pero kung mag-klase kami, di masaya.
Teka, pinapanood ka ba niya dito sa Halik? Ano sabi niya sa'yo? Anong comment niya about you?
Si Kim is my greatest, pinakamalaking kritiko ko yan. Parang gano'n. May mga scenes na sasabihin niya, sigwama na yan. Nangyari na yan, diba? I know, babe, look, there's another award. Okay, congrats. Alam mo yun, she knows that I have to push, diba, for greater things now. Diba? Kasi alam niya na nasasanay na ako diba? Kahit hindi naman sa pagyayabang minsan. Alam mo, kumbaga pag sinabi mo sa sarili mo, kung manunulat ka, diba, kahit nakapikit ako, alam ko na to. Parang gano'n. So, maybe from what I want to do, I want to encourage everyone na, it's never too late. Diba? It's never too late para gawin mo yung mga pangarap mo, para abutin mo.
Mga ilang years, Eko, yung binibigay nyo sa sarili nyo for that before you build your own family?
Again, we don't want to. We are a family. Kim and I are a family. We have dogs. And there are a lot of families like this na mga aso yung kasama nila. We have our people at home who we consider family. Mga kasama namin nagluluto, naglilinis, nag-drive sa amin. Pamilya namin sila. We love the Alan. We love them so much. Don't cry! Naiiyak din tuloy ako.
Meron bang particular show na parang nakita mo na parang ganun ang gusto mong gawin? Ikaw sa Netflix or what? May ganun parang gusto mong maging pen?
I want to create something original. One time tinatanong ko, sabi ko, Lord, what's my purpose?
Nag-miss ka ba?
Sumayad lang sa isip ko na parang, why don't you help promote Filipino culture? Diba, really? Kasi ito yung struggle ng mga Filipinos in LA, in New York, in other countries na parang, at hindi napapansin tayo, ba't hindi tayo napapansin? Lagi yung role ng Filipino parang negative, di ba? Parang gano'n. Hey, I wanna create something na pag sinabing Filipino, di ba? Parang wow, di ba? Bakit kaya gawin ng mga Mexicano, ng Indian, ng di ba? We're just as talented, we're just as, di ba? Mga magaganda, pogi naman tayo di ba? Parang gano'n. Hindi naman tayo di naman din tayo masasamang tao. Very artistic tayo, very, so I just, yun ang gusto kong gawin. I want to discover that because sa buong buhay ko, ang dami kong storya na kinolekta. I just don't have the talent to actually, right now, to write an entire script. So I'm calling out writers and saying, let's do this.
Ikaw, balik tayo dun sa medyo naiiyak ka na kanina.
Ikaw yun.
Naintindihan mo rin yung point na parang mga tao excited na makita kayo ni Kim na may sarili yung...
Oo.
Di ba?
Gusto nila yun. Gusto nila yung
ang ganda ng combination.
Oo, excited for you.
But I think the responsibility goes about, parang mas yun ang mas lumalutang yung kami, parang ganun eh, parang pwede kaming magmahal ng ibang mga bata, ng mga pamangkin, ng mga so...
Correct me if I'm wrong, hindi naman parang kinasara nyo na yung pag-ibig na magkabili.
Hindi rin.
Open din kayo.
We're so open. Who knows, di ba? One day. All I know is that I'm not ready. Because I don't want to be an absentee dad.
Siya rin, di ba ready?
Mga ilang years pa kaya?
We're happy.
Mga ilang years pa sa tingin mo bago?
Ayoko magbigay ng pressure. Kung ilang years pa yung girl namin.
Pero kung i-bless kayo, Eko, anytime ni God, i-bless kayo anytime ni God ng okay din sa inyo.
Naman, kaya naman eh. Wala naman problema. I mean, we're both healthy and there's nothing wrong with us.
Exactly.
So it's just that having a baby nowadays, there's 7 billion or more people in the planet. No, my wife thinks this way and I think this way also. It's easy to adapt. It's easy to... That's not easy.
So may ganon din
possibility. No, I'm just saying that
para makahelp
bago tayo maglagay ng isa pang buhay ulit, let's make sure that ang attention natin is here and there's no pressure saying, like, because yung sinasabi ng kultura ng mga tao na kailangan namin mag-baby, we have to make sure na we want it. So lalaki yung bata na hindi katulad ng karamihan na di ba? Parang gano'n. Ayaw lang natin. Switch off and pray. So, yeah, yung character na Nino, be perfect. Yun yung gusto ko explore. So, yung sinasabi kong journey ng character ni sana and the back yung liga. Anong mangyayari doon kay Nino at saka doon sa liga ng buhay niya? Ano ba lang yun? After yun, pwede explore, di ba?
Doon pa lang ang last hope mo, wag sa book 2.
Ano magkakabuk? Magkakabuk kung ayaw mo na. Ano ba? So pang I want na siya,
gano'n. Or pang series na siya or something, di ba na ano, di ba? Hindi kasi may mga, not for anything, may mga requirements ang soap opera na medyo hindi na nag-fit sa akin. Parang sa requirements ko, parang gano'n. Parang I want more time for creative quality. Nahirapan na yung mga writers natin. Hindi na sila nakakahinga. Alam mo yun? Kasi imagine mo, dinala mo ng January patapos na. Sinabi ng mga tao, extend natin. In-stretch na naman nila yung pandesal. Tinapay. Diba? Tapos talagyan na natin ang topping. Pinalik mo na naman.
So ikaw na talaga nagsabing wag na i-extend.
Kami na lang. So until extend na talaga.
Pwede yun, Eko, yung book 2, parang magiging limited series na lang siya sa I Want or ganun.
Still not my money at the end of the day. So it's their money. I'm just here to pitch. We'll see kung ano yung gusto na lang gawin. But I'm open to everything. But tayo muna sa Maria.
Thank you.
Love you guys. Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you. Love you.
Goes to school.
Thank you.
He wakes up at 4:30, 5 a.m. to train. And then after he trains, he goes straight to school. And then he just comes home at night. He has to sleep.
Is he showing interest in joining school?
No. Not really. Into sports and business. Modeling, yeah.
Kasi nagbigay mo na siya sa public place mo John Webcase.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Ano naman eh, parang alam ko naman yun, hindi naman pwedeng masayang yung talent na yun. So, babalik yun. Diet nga, babalik yun. Diet. On set? Fixed diet nga, babalik na, di ba? So, baka it's the year of comeback. We'll see.
Are you willing to direct Diet and si
You ask
John
them.
Lloyd. Pero ikaw,
Diba?
personally, if you
Kung gusto
want.
nilang mai-direct ng isang baguhang diba?
Director.
I have to study, I have to study and I can't call myself a director. I was just, I directed videos, so you know what I mean. I can't say I'm a director. I can't say that I'm a director. I have to earn it first. For me, kailangan first full-length feature or a series or something, or as an MMK to be called a director, parang ganun. Dami ko pang kaano.
Lahat ng nagiging teleserye mo successful, di ba? Yung Legal Wife, tapos pinag-uusapan lagi. May pressure ba on your part doon sa mga susunod mo? Lalo na yung gusto mong tahakin ngayon na
Actually,
bago.
wala. Same as this one. You know, we started slow. And then sabi ko naman lagi, every show ayaw akong mabe-pressure. Diba? So inahayaan ko lang siya na ganun. So biglang umaalagwa ng ganun. Umaalagwa siya ng ganun. So doon ako natutuwa because I don't want to pressure myself. Parang, it's the end of things. Pag inuna mo yun, parang
May ito recurrent din yung isip ng big show before the
1 year I did before, 2006, yeah. 2006, 2007. And from there, I learned my lesson. You can't just, it's not that I'm saying na hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun, you know. Sometimes, you have to turn your back on something to realize talaga na ito rin yung mahal mo. So,
Last question na po.
hi Dante.
Okay na.
And you said before na like you wanna work with Catherine Bernardo.
Naunahan na ako ni
Ni Alden.
ni Alden eh.
Pero would you like to? As in may plan ka ba?
It's just a matter of time, to be honest with you.
For a movie.
Picture naman siya.
Thank you.